Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 trip report. Southwest Airlines operates the Boeing 737-800 across various domestic routes, offering passengers a consistent experience characterized by unique boarding procedures, cabin amenities, and in-flight services. 1. Boarding process. Southwest employs an open seating policy, assigning passengers to boarding groups, A, B, or C, and positions within those groups. This method encourages passengers to queue in order and select any available seat upon boarding. While some travelers appreciate the flexibility, others find the process can become chaotic, especially during peak travel times. 2. Cabin configuration and seating. The Boeing 737-800 features a 3-to-3 seating arrangement. Seats are equipped with adjustable headrests and offer a standard pitch of approximately 31 inches. However, some passengers have reported that certain aircraft lack power outlets and personal device holders, which can be inconvenient for those relying on electronic devices during flight. 3. Cleanliness and maintenance. Passenger experiences regarding cabin cleanliness have been mixed. While some flights maintain high standards, others have been noted for less satisfactory conditions, including unclean seats and tray tables. This inconsistency suggests variability in maintenance practices across different flights. 4. In-flight entertainment and connectivity. Southwest provides free onboard entertainment accessible via personal devices, including movies, TV shows, and live TV. However, the reliability of Wi-Fi service has been a point of contention among passengers. Some travelers have reported difficulties with connectivity, affecting their ability to stream content or stay connected during the flight. 5. Refreshments, complimentary snacks and beverages are standard on Southwest flights. For longer journeys, the airline offers an expanded selection of snacks and drinks, including alcoholic beverages available for purchase. The variety and quality of offerings are generally well received by passengers. 6. Lavatory Facilities. The Boeing 737-800 is equipped with standard lavatory facilities. While functional, some passengers have noted that these spaces can feel cramped, particularly for taller individuals. Regular maintenance ensures cleanliness, though experiences can vary between flights. 7. Crew service. Southwest's cabin crew is often praised for their friendly and approachable demeanor. Their commitment to passenger comfort and safety contributes positively to the overall travel experience, with many travelers highlighting the crew's professionalism and willingness to assist. 8. Punctuality and flight experience. Southwest generally maintains a strong record for on-time departures and arrivals. However, as with any airline, delays can occur due to various factors, including weather conditions and air traffic control restrictions. Passengers are advised to monitor flight updates and plan accordingly. 9. Baggage policy. A notable advantage of flying with Southwest is the generous baggage policy, which allows 2 free checked bags per passenger. This policy is particularly beneficial for travelers carrying more luggage, offering significant savings compared to other airlines that may charge for checked baggage. 10. Overall value. Southwest Airlines Boeing 737-800 flights offer a balance of affordability and service quality. While there are areas for improvement, such as Wi-Fi reliability and cabin cleanliness, the airline's transparent pricing, lack of hidden fees, and customer-friendly policies make it a competitive choice for domestic travelers. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.